Alright, so this is the Lenovo packaging. It came from Blue Dart. It was manufactured in China in 17, and the specification is i7 1280p. So this is the highest end version that's available right now, and it just got delivered today. So we're going to do an unboxing video. The packaging seems pretty sturdy. It's come in a brown box. I hope it's just perfect inside without any damages. There's a big Lenovo sticker. I think it's for tamper evidence. The tamper evidence label, so that you know it's getting opened for the first time. And there you go. You have the laptop box coming out, and finally they have a sleeve, just like the HP Spectre video that I made. Nothing else in the box. We can keep it aside. So there is charger in the box. Keeping the box aside, this seems to be the charging cable. Let's look at that first. You have a VGA adapter that can convert your conventional display port to a type C. You have a nice looking sleek charger, 65 watt, and then this is the power cable. Keep it back. Sleeve looks nice. Let's see. Oh, it's magnetic, so that's good. And it also has space for your pen. They have foam inside. Don't like the plastic though. And then there's another space for keeping some documents. This has a carry case warranty. Keeping it back again. So this is the final laptop. It's snugly fit to this corrugate so that it doesn't shake. Interesting way of packaging. Give me a second while I get this sorted out. It's almost like a stretch wrap, hence it's not easy to cut. Yeah, but not impossible as well. There you go. The film is slightly sticky. It has a nice recycled look. This is all embossed in golden print, and the back side has multiple colors. It says packaging mixed, which means the paper has plastic laminated onto it. Let's open the box. Good sturdy box, keeping it aside. And here it is, guys, the Lenovo Yoga 9i topmost version that's available on Lenovo. It's called oatmeal color. Not really a fan of the color, but it is what it is. Then you have certain booklets inside, and you have the pen, few more documents. Let's take out the pen. Check if it is magnetic like the Spectre. Doesn't seem so. Yeah, it does stick though. Let's open and see. Anything else in the box? No, not yet. Alright, so there's another set of films covering the whole laptop. That's a lot of plastic, guys. But let me just remove it. It has a nice subtle matte finish for a change. These are the infamous speakers which basically bend the way it's always facing the person who's trying to listen, and this is the one. Speakers are front throwing. It has a woofer as well, 2 speakers and 2 woofers. Thin film. Congratulations on your purchase. 15% off on premium care. Don't need it. I actually took accidental warranty extra for 2 years. This says Lenovo i7. Not too many stickers here. It's the OLED version, and the keypad seems pretty large, guys. See, it's almost equal into 2 hands. You have these extra buttons here: performance, privacy shutter for camera, sound, brightness, and the fingerprint sensor over here. And let's try to switch it on. Where's the switch on button? Let's look at the ports. It has a aux in, type C, power buttons here, and then you have another type C, another type C, and a type A here. Let's see if it switches on. Maybe the battery is dead. I need to recharge it. Yeah, it doesn't seem to turn on, or maybe I'm pressing it wrong. Okay, I'm going to charge this and then probably put the video of the setup of the Lenovo. Until then, hold on. The body is sleek. You've seen the laptop. Speakers, fans, all seem good. It's a 2-in-1. This seems a little weird where you have glossy finish suddenly after the matte and the matte here. And it's a fingerprint magnet. You can see it's just, yeah, catching a lot of magnet. Can I open it with one hand? Yes, I can. Is it strong enough? Seems pretty heavy. It's not a light laptop. And there you go. That's the tent mode. Yeah, seems strong so far. I'm going to try to switch it on and probably put another video for you guys again. Thank you very much. Have a great new year.